to eat balot.
Wow! Oh. Oh, how to eat balot.
Hindi ka open na. Tapos
Assist mo ma. Mami, assist mo.
No, wag na. Wag na, ako muna.
Eh, kasi may sabaw yan.
sa daw yung system.
Ito, ako muna.
Naku, may sabaw yan. Yan. Marunong pala eh.
Oh, put salt.
Ito.
Oh, yan, game. Then,
Puno lang ng balot.
Sarap. Sarap na sa sabaw.
oh, sip mo na, sip. Woo!
O, may eyeball dyan.
Eyeball of what?
Ay, hindi pala yun. Sisi lang yan. Mahilig ako dun.
How about you, Nathan? You want balot? You want balot, Nathan?
I like balot. This is sisi, okay? This is sisi.
You want balot? Try balot, Nathan.
There's a chicks inside, Nathan. Ew.
Oh. Ay, nandyan!
Yes, definitely.
Masarap ito. Pinakamasarap.
Let me see. Say hi to the... Say hi to the bibe.
Stop the joke. Sarap na.
Hawak mo to, mami. Ako magbubukas ng ano dyan. Now, let me open that.
Ano? Eyeball ba yan?
Let me open.
Eyeball ba yan, Jay? Pwede ko kainin ng balot kasi nga paborito ko yun.
Are you going to eat the chick?
Okay.
Huwag mo open niya. Ito muna.
Yan na. Ginusto ni Kuya yan. Siya nagpabili niyan.
Okay. Just put the salt.
Oh, put some salt.
Ano?
Put some salt. Then eat.
Fine. Yummy.
Oh. Oh.
But there's actually blood.
No, it's not blood.
Baka may blood vessels dyan. Sige, kainin ko na.
Oh, eat it.
Hidden.
Oh.
I love it. Wow!
Eat mo na.
Too salty.
Ang salt. Kapadamig salt mo.
Alam mo yung taptapsin? At yung lang, wala taptapsin. Yes, taptapsin.
Here. Yupil ba?
Oh no!
Yupil ba yan? Yupil ba yan? Yupil? What?
That's... Ano, are you going to eat the balot?
Okay.
That's healthy.
I have hairball.
Oh my God! Wow!
Baka may hair. Bao! Ano yan? Ano ito?
It's the chick.
Hair?
Yes, hair ng chick. Feathers. Oh, ano?
Ding dong.
Approve or not?
Approve.
Approve na.
How about Daisen? You want it?
No? Bakit kino ko